Global, and you're watching The Inside Scoop. George Clooney made a huge romantic gesture with new girlfriend Amal Alamuddin and took her away for a 4-day safari in Tanzania. And Carlos, I have to say, this man knows how to put together a romantic trip.
No, absolutely. I mean, we're very well versed in George Clooney's dating habits. They were rumored to be dating in October, and now it seems, that it is official. They're on a safari in Africa. And, this is a different kind of woman than what we're used to seeing George Clooney with. She's a lawyer, she's an activist, but I gotta say, George Clooney, he's quite the charmer. If you've ever met him before, he's really he's just a cool and hip guy.
Absolutely. And what's interesting, though, is that a source actually says that Amal is a game changer for George Clooney, really on his level. So I know he's a perennial bachelor, but a lot of people seem to think maybe she's the one, and that seems a little naive.
Well, I mean, I don't know. It's usually, 2 years? That's probably the longest we've seen George Clooney in a relationship. I mean, who knows how long this is going to last? They look fantastic together.
Absolutely. And, the sign of a real relationship getting serious is when George Clooney takes her to Lake Como. So we'll look out for some fantastic, beautiful photos at a different exotic location. Well, that's all we have for The Inside Scoop. Join us next time.